So we're going to recycle most of a Dexcom G7 applicator. I'm going to change the screen so you can see the applicator and how I take it apart to recycle. This is the G7. There's the side that has the number that you put in for QC and the applicator button. If you tilt it over, you see there's a catch right there. If you insert a screwdriver right next to it, I put my finger on this plastic piece because every time I do this, it flies out. Of course, it won't do that now, but it normally does fly out. So there it comes, and there it is. So we've got two springs and the plastic. These can go right into the recycling bin because they're just metal. This here is the magnet that keeps your sensor from actually working until you apply it, and it comes out of this device and is nowhere near the magnet. So the magnet I usually save, but it's no big deal. I've got that. Now there's this other plastic piece here that has the needle, and this always breaks when I take it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take it out by squeezing on it with a pair of pliers and lifting it up. I don't worry if it's going to break because this whole thing is going to go in my needle box. So that's going to go in my needle box. I'm going to put it over there out of the way. So a second piece, two pieces of plastic. Then there's this insert, and this will pop out if you take the screwdriver and you put it right down the side of the button. And thankfully this does not usually fly into the room, but since I'm recording this, it might. I just pry it up, and so there's another piece of plastic, and then there's this. Now I have no idea if they'll recycle this, but I throw it in the bin anyway. So essentially we have 4 pieces of plastic. This is much better than the G6. There's so much in the G6 you can't recycle. There's like 2 sets of very sharp objects that I would never put in a recycle bin. 2 springs and a magnet. So pretty good, pretty quick, and thanks for watching.